Wait, does it go out any farther?
Worked for now.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Oh, the trigger.
Yes. Oh. Who was gagging? Oh, I think I. Oh. Did she puke?
It's chop chop.
What it is, ho?
Oh, what's up?
A nigga get in them good.
Okay, so we are doing a cooking
Cooking.
cooking video today. And sorry if the lighting looks like crap. It is like 7. It's like 7 o'clock maybe. And we just made pizza.
6:06.
6:06. And we just made pizza. Oh my god.
6:05 now. Are we?
People don't turn off the microwave. But anyways, we're doing cooking with this video. We made pizza, and we have to think of what we're gonna make next. Okay. So this is our pizza. We just eat it.
We just eat it. You're like.
Pizza in my leg.
And so now we're gonna put them in. Okay, now we gotta wait a little bit.
What the? We need to put them in for a little bit longer.
Yeah. It's been like 5 minutes, so we're gonna take them out.
Let's do it a little bit longer.
So now we're gonna take them out. Whoa! Here they are. Look at this.